In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import tasks into Asana from a spreadsheet. If you've been keeping your to-dos in a CSV, Excel, or Google Sheets file, and you're ready to organize them in Asana, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish. We'll keep things clear and simple so you can follow along confidently. First, prepare your data in a spreadsheet. Open your CSV, Excel, or Google Sheets file and make sure each task sits on its own row. Create clear column headers for the information you want to bring into Asana, such as task name, assignee, due date, and notes. Keep task name as a required column because that's what Asana will use to create each task. If you're including dates, use a consistent format across the whole column. For assignees, make sure the names match the people in your Asana workspace to avoid mismatches later. Remove blank rows you don't need and double check for typos so your import looks clean. Next, open Asana and go to the correct workspace or project area. Navigate to the place where these tasks should live. If you already have a project set up for this work, open it. If your tasks belong in a specific area, take a moment to confirm you're in the right spot before importing, so everything lands where you expect. Now choose the import option. In your project, look for the import or add tasks from file option. Asana will guide you into the importer where you'll pick the source for your data. Upload your file, select your CSV or Excel file from your computer, or connect to your Google Sheets file if that's what you're using. Give Asana a moment to process the file. If you see a preview, scan it to confirm the right sheet or tab is selected and the data looks intact. You'll then match your columns to Asana fields, map task, name to the task name field, assignee to assignee, due date to due date, and notes to the description or notes field. If a column doesn't have a home, you can leave it unmapped, but try to place the essentials so your tasks are immediately useful. Verify that dates show correctly and that assignee names align with your team members. Finally, complete the import and review your new tasks inside Asana. Once the import finishes, browse the list to confirm everything appears as expected. Check a few tasks for correct names, assignees, and dates, and open one to make sure the notes carried over. If something looks off, it's often quickest to adjust your file and run the import again. When it all looks good, you're ready to start working in Asana.